I believe Congresswoman Sansing would also like to.
Sorry, very very quick comment lang po. Actually, I think several things that we've noticed. First is magsisinidye na po next week. So we have a lot of priority measures that we have to pass before we go on break. So hopefully po we resonate the calls of the other senators na sana ma-funnel po yung time instead of gearing it towards the third hearing or a fourth hearing, sana po mag-gear towards pushing for the priority measures. Siguro po, one thing that is a little bit concerning with regard to these hearings is merong narratives relating to the president. And that's perhaps something that we would like to again reiterate that whenever there are things relating to the president at nakikita po to in a national stage or even an international stage, it also affects the image of the country. So we would like to again reiterate our call to Senator Bato to please exercise caution in all of these hearings, and sana po in the way these hearings are conducted, mag-follow po tayo ng rules or ng protocol kasi meron pong nangyari wherein one of the witnesses, I believe it was Morales, said something a little bit untoward towards Senator Jinggoy, so towards a member of the Senate. So in those cases, usually here in the House, if a witness starts exhibiting those sorts of behavior, sinasabihan siya na we will hold you in contempt or we can cite you in contempt. Pero I think in terms of the procedural way it was conducted, medyo hindi po yata, the witness was not told to back down. So siguro po, yun lang po siguro. I think that's where the senators are coming from as well in the way that the hearings are being conducted. So yun lang po, just a few thoughts as well on the matter.